Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to this daily update on Ethereum. Going to be quite a bullish update, I would say. In general, I have some ideas I wanted to talk about with you. There's some ideas that haven't been thought out that well yet, I would say, but they're interesting. And I'll tell you what I expect kind of heading into the weekend or heading into the week and at the end of this weekend. Sunday evening, as most of you know, or Sunday afternoon for the people in the US, and kind of Monday night for everybody in Asia and the Middle East a little. It's quite volatile. Big market makers, institutions get back into the markets. They open positions, volume gets into the market, volume is low on the weekend, so if volume gets in, volatility increases for a brief moment of time. So yeah, we'll go over what to expect from Ethereum in that period of time and just in general my general thoughts. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now on to Ethereum. So if we let's start off with next week. I expect some bullish momentum next week, fundamentally because of the inflation rate. Now the inflation rate itself, we don't know what the outcome is going to be, but overall the expectation is that it will drop down further. And right now, even though it's not at normal levels, it's getting closer and closer to normal levels, which is bullish, because that would mean that the interest rate is doing its job. Inflation rate is getting back down to normal levels, and then the interest rates at some point of time, probably in 2024, can start to be decreased again. And that's bullish for asset markets like crypto, but also stocks. So yeah, that's already a little bit of a bullish impulse. Obviously, the biggest moves will be after the event. But apart from that, if you take a look at Ethereum right now and you take a look at the market structure, like it's even more confirmed than yesterday. The EMAs are nicely converging. We're not really reacting to that 200 EMA again, so we are consolidating, which isn't even that weird. I mean, if you take a look at Ethereum over the last weeks, you can see that most of the movement has actually been in consolidation ranges. So yeah, I expect that to happen again today. Now the good news is that we are at the bottom of one of those consolidation ranges, I would say, if you think that we are consolidating between 1920 and 1840. So by breaking above 1860, I think we have confirmed that we will actually get enough bullish momentum from the technical side as well. Perhaps find some resistance at around 1880 and 1890, but then in the end, I do expect us to drop to go all the way up to 1920 and 1925. And then from there, we'll see again. I mean, frankly, like another thought I had is that there's some sort of a some sort of an Elliott wave theory possible right here. If you take a look at this, then you would say that we just had our fifth wave that stopped right there. And then you could argue that we are getting into some sort of a ABC correction wave, right? So that we do something like this. So that's a possibility. That is something I'm still keeping in mind. And this would tell us that we would probably drop down to levels around 1775 at the very least. But that's something we'll see. I mean, even this would guarantee some bullish momentum at first. And I'm not the biggest believer in Elliott wave theory. I mean, obviously it can work if you are experienced with it. I'm not that experienced with it. So yeah, I mean, in the end, short term, I expect bullish momentum, probably some stability then, because we'll also be waiting for the results of the inflation rate. And then from there, we'll keep it in our minds that we can actually have a little bit more of a pullback. But for now, I would say that is not relevant yet. That's my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.